Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit like any music video. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, import your videos or it may be images. Then you have to import your music. So I'm going to import videos first. So tap on the import from here. So go to your particular file and just select all and tap enter. The materials will be imported. Now first of all you need to do is you have to import the music. So I will use a music from the library. Okay, I'm gonna make the sound 0 for the copyrighted issue, but I will show you how to actually do it. So I'm gonna make the video shorters. Okay, now you can see your auto beat option. Just tap on the auto beat and you can choose any of it. You can see the beat has been appeared. You can also select beat 2. You can select that. So for shorter demonstration I'm going to select beat 1. Now you have to use the images according to the beat. You can see, so you can just select all of it and drag it to the timeline. Okay, now you have to just match with the beat. You can see it will be automatically matched like that if you just drag the videos here. Okay, that's it. Now you have to do one thing. You have to just tap on it and you have to go to the animation and go to the combo and use any type of animation. Okay, there are so many animation here. Just use all of them according to your wish. There are so many and it will just hit it. You can't even imagine how beautiful it will look. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, now I will show you how it looks. I'm gonna just play it. You can see. So this is how it looks and it looks really beautiful. You can use images if you want, so that depends on you. You can use the videos as well. Okay, you can also crop it from here to adjust. You can see, you can just use the 16:9 ratio. You can see it will just match the frame. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.